Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for Northern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Scanner right here.
At 5:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous...
Oh, shit!
...located near Evansville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation.
Oh, God! I've never heard one of those before.
Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Hebron, Utica, Rockdale, Mossville, Cooksville, and Indian Ford. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
PDS TOR. We're nowhere near it. Rain's starting to come down. Yeah, got some rain coming. There's Jaden. Yeah, first time I get to hear a PDS TOR. Holy shit. And for our county. Oh, God. Yeah, it's starting to rain. It's really about to come down. Holy shit. That is the most unexpected 180 I've ever heard. This is not in the ordinary for Wisconsin. That is the most unexpected left turn I've ever heard. I am sorry if I'm speaking too much, but that just scared me. Hearing the fact that we got a PDS TOR for our county. Shit, is this August 2005 again? I was only 2 at the time. Oh, we got rain coming from the south. Ah, so complete. Fuck.